Hi there! In this video I will show you how to use the advanced monthly budget template, which includes a full monthly budget dashboard and powerful smart bills calendar. This template comes in several color themes, but the functionality is the same for all versions. Let's walk through how everything works. Start by choosing the month you are budgeting for. Click the drop-down and select the month, for example November. Next, set the start and end dates. For this budget, you can choose any interval, weekly, bi-weekly or by paycheck. Select your currency symbol. It will automatically apply to the entire template. If you have money left from your previous period, enter it into the rollover field. This amount will be added to your available budget. In this template, your categories are grouped into 5 sections: income, savings and investment, bills, expenses, debts. You can rename or edit categories in each group to match your personal financial setup. Add the expected amount you plan to spend or receive in each category. This gives you a full budget plan for the month and allows the dashboard to compare planned and actual. Log your actual income, expenses, bills, debts and savings in the transactions list. For each transaction, enter date, category, amount and description. It's optional. The transaction type is assigned automatically based on the category you choose. All numbers in your dashboard update instantly as soon as you add transaction. At the bottom, you will find the budget notes section. It helps you plan, reflect, and stay organized. There are 3 blocks: money goals, write what you want to achieve this month, to-do lists, add budgeting tasks and reminders, spending notes, write reasons for overspending or saving. Your dashboard shows your budget at a glance. Total income, total outflows, left to spend, savings. You will also see category summaries, differences between planned, actual, bar charts and pie charts for allocation and top spending categories. Go to the calendar tab and select your month, year and the day your week starts. Enter up to 15 paydays, perfect for irregular or multiple income sources. Your paydays will automatically appear on the calendar with a coin icon. The calendar enters table lists all your bills and places them on the correct calendar dates. Each bill appears with a color indicator that shows its status: red overdue, orange due within the next 3 days, black upcoming. Your bills and debt payments automatically appear on their due dates. When you mark a bill as paid on the budget tab, it will show a checked icon on the calendar. Today's date is highlighted on the calendar, so you can quickly see what's due today and what's coming up next. When your month is finished, you can start a new one easily. Right-click on the budget or calendar tab and choose duplicate. Then clear last month transactions and update categories or paydays for the next period. The advanced monthly budget template helps you stay organized, plan smarter, track all expenses, and never miss a bill again with a smart calendar. You can purchase this template in my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Happy budgeting!